So you can see this twist, this is the smaller twist, this is the bigger twist. And the smaller twist is because of the heat I produced with the torch. But you can see the problem right here, it snapped, you see? But it's no problem because I will use this one. And make a ring out of this bigger one, so the ring will be more beefy. Just grab it where the drill was grabbing it, so you will not get a damage or something like that. And now pretty much this is the ring. This is the part I told you about that is damaged because I torched it with a flame too long. But this can be ring and this can be ring, and I will show you how to make rings from each one of these. And when you do this, always keep it straight. Just bend the ends and one end, bend it like that and hold it upwards. So if you will hold this like this, right, you will eventually twist it and then the ring will not be even. So always bend the end and hammer it that way. As you can see, it's not even, not straight. That way, just bend it with the hand. It's really easy because the copper, when it's not hardened, it's a really soft material. There will be no problem with making it straight. Now you need to hold it with pliers. And always make sure that your hammer is clear here. I can show you hammer where it's not. So as you can see, this will not work. Only the shiny will work. And now from the side. And if it's not straight, even after hammering, you can just bend it like this. And this is the big one and this is the small one, and I will show you how to make this small one a small twisted copper ring in another video, so please subscribe for that. So these pliers look simple, but I made these imprints to it, so it will do this, it will grab it, and then you can easily bend it besides like that. Copper gets stiff after a while when you're working on it, so now what I will do, I will make it softer by torching it and quenching it. Now you can see that it's pretty soft. Now you can just take any ring and watch how large it is. Because I don't have some the real ring size watch. How do you call that? Thingy. So yeah, when you find your size, just clip it. Now it looks pretty okay. It is a little bit smaller, but it will be okay because I will hammer it. So now just take any scrap copper and now hit it one time with the hammer. So it will not rolling around. Now let's go to the next stage. So now it looks like this. This is the welded part. It's just backside, so it doesn't really matter how it looks. The other sides are pretty dope. So now the sides. And now it isn't flat, so I need to smash it. this is the place that I welded.